Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone's doing really well. Yes, we are back and it is another sneaker video that we are dropping today. Now this one's a little bit late. You probably would have seen a lot of other reviews already on YouTube, but unfortunately I just had my delivery today. So this was the first opportunity that I've had to make this video and put it all together to show you guys the sneaker itself. Now, you all would have seen it from the early images. Yes, we are going to be talking about the Nike Air 95 SB edition. Yes, as soon as I saw the images, this was a pair that I was after. After seeing some of the reviews, this is a pair that I think, yeah, will be a great addition to my collection. It's something that I am after in terms of all the little tweaks they've made. Yes, visually, probably without taking into account some of the deeper changes they've made, they will look like it's a normal Airmax 95. But yeah, the subtle changes, the subtle touches that they've put on there is going to actually make this sneaker completely different to a normal Airmax 95. So that's what I'm really interested in. I'm really looking forward to kind of styling these and getting these on feet, seeing how comfortable they are. I might even do a life test with them just to see what the differences they are against compared to a normal Airmax 95. So if that is something that you are interested in, then drop me a follow on my Instagram. You'll see it up on screen now. Instagram is where I am the most active on any social media, so if you do want to see what I get up to on a day-to-day basis, then drop me a follow, because that's where you'll see me. If this is a video that you do like, please do hit a thumbs up. It really does go a long way to help grow this channel. And if you do like this video and want to be the first to be notified as soon as a new video drops, then hit that subscribe button, and again, as soon as I do drop a new video, you'll be notified straight away so you don't miss any of those. Let me know in the comments, guys, as well. Let me know what you think of this pair. If this is a pair that is overhyped, this is an easy pass for you, whatever it may be, just drop it in the comment. And if there is something that you would like to see from future videos, put it in the comments. I will be able to pick it up and I will start to maybe make some of those additional videos. So now that all of that faff is out of the way, okay, let's jump straight into the sneaker itself. Now, we do have the pair from Sneakers. This is a Sneakers release. I didn't win, and it's again a strange one. They were first come first serve when they dropped on Sneakers, so you've got to get in as early as possible. Now, my pair was pending for ages, and yeah, it said I didn't get them, and then all of a sudden 10-15 minutes later there's plenty of stock online and I was able to go in and get it. So this is what I keep saying to you: Sneakers do not like me. I never seem to manage to hit, but my wife did. So yeah, really grateful that I've managed to get a pair. Yeah, Sneakers just don't like me. I don't know what more I can say about that. I've not actually seen these in hand. Like I said, they just came a few hours ago, so I thought to myself, actually, let's put this video together. Yes, it may be a couple of days before I do drop it on YouTube. Just with all the recording and editing, it does take ages. I've got a full-time job, so yeah, whenever I get the spare moments, and it's usually at 10:30 at night, really limited in terms of what I can do because I'm up at 5:30 to go gym and start my day. I've only got a few hours spare, so yeah, just bear with me on that. Let's get these opened up for you guys. We don't need this anymore. Let's keep that to the side. And we do have the purple Nike SB box. I thought they would have done something slightly different. I did see there is a friends and family box. I do quite like that. I'll see if I can get the image up and you see if you can see it flash on screen. But yeah, that was something I thought, actually, you know what? They did a nice job on that because they modified the Airmax 95 box. Yeah, hey, we've got the purple one. It is what it is, but I would have liked to see, especially with this being a special release, I would have liked to see something different. We do have the SB Airmax 95. Summit White Cactus Flower. Now the colourway on this is, it's alright, it's not too bad. Let's see how it can obviously be styled. Right, so here we have the sneaker itself. Got the Nike SB sticker as well. Let's get this out of the way. First impressions, yeah, I do like these. I do like the quality on these. The tongue seems quite flat, but I guess I've got to put my feet in there and it probably shape around my foot. Straight away you can see some of the materials and see straight away what they have said. The sneaker is very light, it's very flexible as well. So yeah, I'm looking forward to putting these on feet. You've obviously got the different traction on the sole, so again, let's see how grippy it is. But yeah, for me it's nice and subtle. You know, you don't have the major you've got with the black, grey, again the light grey all the way going to that cream colour we have there, and then the subtle touches of purple, so can't go wrong with that. The suede does feel like it's quite nice, I'm not gonna lie. It's really soft. We've got that nice smell as well, and we do have the touch of the Nike SB Air on the heel, and we do also have the touch of Nike SB Air on the sole as well. If we look at the other pair, so we have got a little bit of QC with the marks of suede, but yeah, overall I'm quite pleased with this. I think they did a really good job. I think they hit it at the park in my opinion. Yeah, there's not much to say, to be honest, with these. Like I said, it was a pair that, you know, when I saw the initial images, it was something that I'm really excited about, and I've just actually today alone seen the images released for the Nike Airmax 95 Yugi pair. So yeah, it looks exactly like you would have with the animation. That's another pair that I'm desperately, you know, wanting to get my hands on. I'm a massive Yu-Gi-Oh fan, so yeah, to be able to have those shoes into my collection, able to actually wear them, yeah, let's see if I can get hold of them. I wouldn't be surprised if they're going to be very limited. These seem to be quite limited. I didn't hit off any of the skate stores here, but I did get lucky off sneakers, like I said, obviously, or should I say the wife got lucky off sneakers, but I know they were sitting a little bit in some of the other online stores. I did all the raffles, didn't get any wins off the raffles, but yet they loaded some sizes on their website, which by the time I didn't realise. But anyway, I hit off sneakers. Yeah, a bit of a strange release. I don't know, it's a bit weird because if you enter a raffle and you don't win the raffle, but there's enough sizes that they then load on the website, how does that make sense? Look, I don't know, maybe they've got a set of allocation. I know they did drop in one of the stores in London, first come first serve. I didn't see that till a lot later, and yeah, I wasn't anywhere near London, so yeah, by the time I would have got down, everything sold out anyway. So yeah, I think these are a pair that's going to come and go. There was a lot of hype around it, but it seems like it's dropped and disappeared. I know there's a lot of other releases that's happening, and the main focus has been on the undefeated fours. Yeah, that's taken all the shine away from this, which I think it's a little bit of a shame, because I genuinely do think this is a nice pair, and I think these have gone under the radar, and I think a lot of people might regret sleeping on these a little bit later down the line. Nike SB, to me, they always do such an amazing job. I think they always get every single pair that they make, whether it's collaborations, the quality is always there. I think they really do a great job. You know, you can see that with the Nike Air Jordan 4s that they've collaborated with the 2 colorways, well, the 3 colorways, although the red one was friends and family. Yeah, they do a great job. To be honest, there's not much to be said about these. I'm just really excited to get these on feet. I'll let you know how they fit. Some people did say go true to size, others said actually you can go down half a size, so but I did go true to size. Right, well, there you have it, guys. This was a very quick look, a little unboxing with the new Nike Airmax 95 SB edition. Check out my Instagram to see how I've styled these. Hopefully I'll get them on over the weekend, but until next time, peace.